my car. Little brother back there with his Nerf gun. Why are you bringing the Nerf gun?
I don't know.
Well, don't take it in, stupid. Z house.
Z house.
Not focusing good. It sure is hot in here. That's for one.
And the car.
Some trees and a bush and the window and stuff. Let's see if you guys see me. But yeah, this is me right now. I'm pretty sure you can see me.
See me.
I'm pretty sure, yeah. But yeah, I'm just making a quick video again. And this will probably be it for right now. So, bye.